Goa for Goans. We Goans for Goa.
आणि आम्ही TMC गोवा म्हणून आम्ही सदांच तुमच्या बरोबर तुमचे प्रश्न सोडोवपा खातीर आज आम्ही तुमच्या बरोबर आयिल्ले आसा.
आमकां गुजरात मॉडेल नाका, आमकां दिल्ली मॉडेल नाका, आमकां गोंय मॉडेल जाय, आमचो गोंयचो मॉडेल जाय.
I request the people of Veli, come out, tell us what your difficulties are, and we will try our best to solve them.
Education, jobs, water, roadways, electricity, network. Fishing in our state of Goa has dropped 85%. That's a huge number. 6 out of 12, that's 50% of our state does not get proper drinking water. To me, that has to change.